Heretatonga Rail Corporation. The new control panel is up in the shed. Some more grasses and scenic material on the slip. Replace some of the light bulbs with cool daylight white 6,500 Kelvin as opposed to the warm white, which are these ones down here. Quite a bit of difference in colour and daylight. Added a warning light. This is the last line of defence to tell me that the layout's on. Power's on. Power's on. And the red light is on. So for some reason I don't remember to turn the power off. As I'm leaving the room, I turn this one off. All power's cut to the rail. A little bit more work on this scenery on the river here. Try to tidy up some of the wires under there. See how that all dries up. Plaster on polystyrene with some static grasses added. Nock products, 6mm static grass. And some $12mm static grass from Nock. Still very dry in Hawke's Bay, so it's the 15th of March, which is our autumn, 5 days away from the equinox. Still no rain. We've had 10 mil in the last couple of weeks. The float on the tanks are way down. No grass growth. We're just waiting to get some rain. This is the control panel faceplate. Just resprayed it. Flat white, a couple of coats of undercoat, aluminium sign. That's the spare one. That was the original one, but those two tracks there are in the wrong position. They need to be over here. So therefore, if I swap it, switches come down here for the yard tracks, and the two tracks can come off here. It's my workshop.